Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. I'm thrilled to announce that the SBA, Small Business Administration, has launched a Made in America manufacturing initiative. Did you know that 99% of U.S. manufacturers are considered small business? Well, this will be a huge improvement, and it has three key tenets. Number one is a deregulatory agenda. It's estimated that the savings will be about $100 billion. Number two is tax cuts for manufacturers and tailored investments to support manufacturers. And number three is a support of the workforce and key skilled resources. Certainly a hot topic that I hear from manufacturing leaders on a daily basis. This group is also going to do a Made in America manufacturing roadshow to gain inputs from manufacturing leaders. So what should we be thinking about is number one, ramping it up. Get ready to scale. Number two, improve your processes and your systems and technology. And number three, automate, digitize, make sure that you are innovating, ready to meet the needs. Rev up your engines.